This how to 1 minute will show you how to add button in GoDaddy website builder. First of all, log into your GoDaddy account and click on your profile. Click on My Products. And here click on Websites plus Marketing. And this is the website where I will add a button. So I'm clicking on Manage. Now click on Edit Website and then you will jump into GoDaddy Website Builder. Here select the page where you want to add a button. Now click on Add Section. Now click on General and select Introduction. And here you will get different types of button section. So I'm gonna selecting this one. Once the section added, you can edit your text from here. And now select the button. And now you can change the button level or text. You can link your button to any page, website URL, phone, email, products. And this is how we can add button in GoDaddy website builder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.